Hey guys, it's Kunal, commercial product photographer. And the next question is how to get commercial clients without owning the high-end gear. And the short answer to this question is that you do not need to own anything to do these commercial projects. I know photographers who don't even own a camera and yet they're doing the biggest commercial projects. And this is possible because you can rent out anything and everything that you might need on the shoot day and bill that rental amount to the client. So let's say if you're in Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, you can have a lot of rental options. So renting equipment shouldn't be an issue. And having said that, once you start doing these commercial projects, then gradually you can start building up your arsenal. You can start investing in the cameras and the lenses that you need or the lights that you need. Because once you have the basic equipment, you can always do the test shoots at your place. You can build your portfolio, and do all these kinds of experiments because renting equipment for your personal projects could be very expensive. So in short, you can always rent out the best of camera, the most expensive lenses, the fancy light modifiers, and everything that you would need for the shoot day. Okay, so there's no need to worry about owning any kind of high-end equipment. Now, I hope it makes it clear, guys. If you do find these videos to be helpful, then do like, comment, and share, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers. Bye.